Hello there and welcome to another video, and in this video I will be doing a comparison between Hulu Live versus YouTube TV. Let's dive deep into pricing, channel offerings and DVR features to help you decide which streaming service is right for you. First off, let's talk about dollars and cents. So, YouTube TV starts at $63 a month after a 10-day trial period, but you should be aware that the price jumps to $73 a month after about the first 3 months. On the other hand, Hulu Live starts at $77 a month with ads, and well, it does include Hulu, Live TV, Disney Plus, and ESPN. But if you want to remove the ads, it will cost you a bit more, and do keep in mind that subscribing to each of these services individually would set you back an additional $40 a month. Now, both Hulu Live and YouTube TV offer most major channels in their base packages. However, depending on your region, some channels might be missing from your subscription list. Well, that said, it is essential to check the channel lineup for your area before making a decision. Additionally, Hulu offers an app and extra services like Disney Plus and ESPN, which could add value to your subscription. Nonetheless, pricing wise, I would opt for YouTube TV. Now let's talk about DVR. So both Hulu Live and YouTube TV offer unlimited cloud DVR without any restrictions on space. However, there are some differences in functionality since Hulu Live's DVR is more traditional, allowing you to record individual episodes, while YouTube TV on the other hand is more flexible since it does allow you to add entire channels to your DVR recordings simultaneously. That said, do consider which DVR features are more important to you when making your decision, and personally I would opt for YouTube TV. So you might want to consider Hulu Live's DVR since it is more traditional and easy to use, but then again, YouTube's DVR capabilities does sound pretty nice. Alright, and that is it. So in conclusion, both Hulu Live and YouTube TV have their strengths and weaknesses when it comes to pricing, channel offerings, and of course DVR features. So that said, you would want to take your time and weigh these factors carefully and choose the streaming service that best fits your needs and preferences. That will be the end of this video, and if this video did give you some insights in terms of Hulu Live and YouTube TV, which would be a better fit for you, then of course feel free to leave a like on the video and of course subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in another video.